Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
But that all has to happen before you start cooking. If your rice is already stickier than you'd like, you could try rinsing it under cold water to remove some of the excess starch. After rinsing, spread the rice onto a sheet tray and place in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes to dry it out a bit.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Problem: the rice is still very chewy or hard in the middle after the allotted time. Solution: add just enough water to create a little steam, 1/4 cup or less. Put the lid on and cook the rice on very low heat for another 5 minutes. Problem: the rice is cooked but too wet.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Al dente rice is safe to eat, as the starch has softened and the rice is fully cooked through. You'll know your rice is al dente if you take a few grains and they are easy to eat without being mushy.
Take our lead.
If the rice is very hard and chewy in the middle, undercooked, just add enough water to create a little steam, about 1/4 cup less. Put the lid on and cook the rice on very low heat for another 5 minutes. It will turn out just right, not overcooked. Hard rice is bad for digestion and not enjoyable to eat.
Take our lead.
Consuming raw or undercooked rice can increase your risk of food poisoning. This is because rice can harbor harmful bacteria, such as Bacillus cereus B. cereus. However, this bacteria is generally not a concern with freshly cooked rice because high temperatures can minimize its growth.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.